Well, escalating border tensions took a toll on the market today. It was otherwise a fairly range-bound session, but towards the fag end of the trading session, when the news broke out that India has foiled multiple escalation bids by Pakistan, they have neutralized various air defense systems at multiple locations in Pakistan. This sort of escalation took a toll on sentiment. We saw the Nifty sliding by triple digits, in fact, ending lower by about 150 points or thereabouts. The mid-cap index that managed to hold out yesterday and managed to outperform yesterday was also down by 2% or thereabouts. The fear gauge, India VIX, surged over 10%, to levels of over 20. That's the kind of fear that's there in the market. Until that, fear gauge comes down, the volatility in the market will remain. That's what experts say. In terms of sectors, realty and metals were the top laggards. If you look at the individual movers, then HCL Tech and Axis Bank managed to hold out. But on the flip side, you had Shriram Finance and Eternal. These two stocks were among the big laggards when it comes to the Nifty. From the broader end of the market, CCL Products, which has been on an upswing in recent times, post numbers, saw some bit of profit taking. That stock was down 6% or so. Concord Biotech, that was another stock that was on the higher side. I think gained somewhere around 10 to 11% or thereabouts. That was all about today's market action. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Money Control.